This demo shows how Oracle Fusion Cloud Manufacturing enables production supervisors to efficiently manage production batches for execution. Marie, a production supervisor, generates and releases batches for shift production. Since the batches for crust and filling are completed, she creates a new batch using the approved recipe to make energy bars. The product details display, so Marie can confirm the quantity being made by the recipe. Since the oven at the bake operation can only handle 1,000 bars in a single run, she decides to split the batch into 2 consecutive runs. Marie finishes creating the batch and opens it to review further details. Since the product is tracked with lot control, the batch number is automatically generated based on the product lot number for energy bars. The execution runs evenly, and each run uses the same operations, materials, resources, and process parameters that are tracked independently. Marie generates 2 lots that correspond to the execution runs. These execution run lots automatically reference the parent lot that represents the batch. Now Marie is ready to release the batch for production execution. With the new batch management enhancements in Oracle Fusion Cloud Manufacturing, production supervisors like Marie can create and release recipe-driven batches for execution, accurately tracking physical processes every step of the way.